Hey, thank you very much for watching this video, bro. Today, we're gonna do this sentence right here. それめっちゃいいじゃん。どこで買ったの？それめっちゃいいじゃん。どこで買ったの？ I will break down every single word in this sentence, bro. So stick with me. So the first word, それ means that, right? It's very simple. That. It's used to refer to something, like that thing. You know what I'm saying? So それ that. And the second word, めっちゃ means very. This is very, very useful. But if I want to say this is very useful, I would say これはめっちゃ便利. And after that, I say じゃん. I personally think this is the most important thing in this sentence, bro. This is making this sentence very casual. When you say じゃん, means like, right? Isn't it? So this じゃん is a very casual sentence ending particle, bro. Remember this. After that, I say どこで means where at, like at where. And after that, I say 買った which means bought. This is a casual past tense of a verb 買う which means to buy. And then lastly, I say no. This is a casual way of ending the questioning sentences. So now, let's practice this 3 times with me. Shadow with me. You know what I'm saying? I'll go first 2 times a little slower. And the last one, I go a little faster. The real Japanese speed, bro. 3, 2, 1. それめっちゃいいじゃん。どこで買ったの？ 3, 2, 1. それめっちゃいいじゃん。どこで買ったの？ The last one, let's go. 3, 2, 1. それめっちゃいいじゃん。どこで買ったの？ You're doing great, bro. Let's keep it going, bro. Hey, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching this again. And please hit the like button, comment, anything. See you in the next one. またね。